Okay. Hello, Mr. Shokouhi. How are you today?
Hello, doctor. Come in, please. Thank you for coming to visit me.
Uh, how can I help you?
Well, actually, doctor, what happened was um, yesterday I had severe pain and cramps in my tummy, and while I was at work, and then. Really, it was so bad. I thought I'm dying, and then my colleagues called for an ambulance, and they took me to hospital. And they said they did a lot of tests and different things, and they said they found nothing wrong. But I'm scared. I can't leave house.
Mhm.
Yeah. So
Uh, well, can you describe the pain?
yeah, it was just like somebody was pressing on all my tummy and my bowels, and it was severe.
Uh-huh. And did you have any other symptom, vomiting?
No vomiting, but I was very like sweaty and pale. My colleague said I was very pale, basically.
Uh-huh. And uh, what uh, mm, what was you doing when you have had the pain?
Uh, uh, Actually, nothing really. I mean, I had a very important meeting, a presentation, and the night before, I didn't sleep at all, and I had to be awake preparing my presentation, and I had probably about 5 cups of coffee.
Ah,
Um, I usually have about 5 cups of coffee during the day, but that night also. I had 5 cups of coffee, and I then nothing. I wasn't even doing my presentation yet. I was sitting preparing my paperwork.
uh-huh. And have you ever had a similar pain before?
No, no, that was
So it
first
was
time.
your first time. Uh-huh. Uh, mm, okay, based on what you told me and the physical examination and as you said, the negative workup at the hospital, I think that it's likely to be due to your stress. Okay?
Oh, what does stress cause that severe pain?
Stress can cause such symptoms because it may result in reduced blood flow to your stomach,
Oh,
right?
how?
Uh, um, by increasing the level of a substance in your blood, it may cause a constriction of your blood vessels.
Okay. Oh,
Uh-huh.
a substance. I don't use any substances.
Um, by the word substance, I don't mean that you use that substance. It's
Oh,
something in your blood system.
okay.
Uh,
Where does this come from?
that's a good question. It comes from your some of your glands that responds to
Right.
the stress in
Okay,
a
so
stress
it's like a
situation.
hormone then. It's
Yeah, that's right.
okay.
And the other thing that I think may cause your symptoms, your problem is the caffeine intake.
Right.
You told me that you drink 5 or 6 cups of coffee every day. Yes?
That's right. Yes.
Uh-huh. It also might be a contributing factor for your pain,
Right.
right?
Okay. Oh, I
Uh-huh.
didn't know that. All right. So what should I do now?
Uh, the first thing we need to do is to uh, have the exact. Not bad.
Uh, not bad.
Yeah.
Okay.
ولی انگار که کند بود دیگه.
Uh, uh, خب چرا کند بود؟
اه، نمیدونم شاید زیادی سوال پرسید. شما زیادی سوال پرسیدین.
تقصیر مریض که نمیشه که شما چیکار کردین؟ اوکی چی بگیم چند خوب بود نبود چه نمره بدیم؟
اگه تموم میشد خوب بود ولی الان دیگه فکر میکنم همون 8 یا 7.
اه،
7 چون مثل قبلی خوب نبود به نظر.
خب مگه باید تموم کنیم حتما اونو؟
دیگه اینقدرم بمونه اوکیه، یعنی بالاخره یه مشکلی وجود داشته که اینقدر مونده.
Yes. Good point. ولی اینکه تموم نکردید موردی نیست ولی اینکه آره ممکنه یه جای دیگه مشکلی بوده that is the point. Okay. Okay. What went well? اینا این 7 نمره رو از چی گرفتیم؟
خوب بود، استراکچر و راکام خوب بود. اینفورمیشن گدرینگ هم کردم ولی دیگه شما خیلی سوال پرسیدین، من شاید بعد یه جوری اونا رو جمع جور میکردم.
خب سوال پرسیدم برای اینکه شما به من گفتید یه سابستنسی توی
آره.
Okay. What is substance?
نمیدونم برای دقیقا مثلا.
Yeah, substance is something which is external, okay? Like substance abuse, okay? There's a chemical or a hormone, okay? You can say there's a chemical or a hormone which is called adrenaline. Okay. Have you heard of it? Oh yes, I have heard adrenaline. Okay.
اوکی.
Usually people know what adrenaline is. Okay. So it's better to say yes, there's a chemical or a hormone called adrenaline, which is a stress hormone, and it is produced when you're having stress. All right. So that's why if you chunk and check, that would help. Okay. Good. خب بس اوکی پس برای اینکه من سوال کردم یه کمی طول کشید ها.
بله من یعنی نتونستم نه دیگه من نتونستم جواب سوال شما رو درست بدم.
Okay. So خب دیگه پس چی خوب بود پس اون حالا exploring ISO information giving chunk and check.
یه چند تا گفتم رایت و اوکی یا اینا رو گفتم. آره.
Okay. Did you show any empathy?
نه اصلا اولش باید میگفتم.
Okay. Did you show attentive listening skills?
گوش کردم.
Did you say right, okay?
نه.
No, okay. So attentive listening skills and encouraging. Okay. So 20 نمره اینجا دست میره 10 تا اینجا میشه 30 تا. Okay. Yep. Okay. دیگه چی؟
دیگه خوب بود دیگه بقیهش.
بله. Good. اوکی اون که من سوال میکردم شما کدوم قسمت بود توی information giving بود درسته؟ So in information giving شما گفتین substance باید clarifiش میکردین. I mean a hormone called adrenaline. Have you heard about that? Yes, I know what it is. Okay.
درسته.
بعد مسئله حل میشد دیگه من نمیگفتم chemical یا چیز substance گفتم
بس.
all right okay so it's a hormone yeah okay
فکر کردم مریض هورمون هم نمیدونه.
uh, yeah they know hormones yeah میگن که actually they use the hormone for example if women have problems with their periods they come and say we have some hormone problems okay